Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can delete payment method in Doordash. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Doordash app, and once you open it, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply get signed in into your account, and once you have done this, simply tap on the me icon on the bottom right hand side of the corner. After doing this, simply tap on settings, and once you are in your settings, simply scroll down and tap on payment methods. So after tapping in your payment methods, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply see your saved payment methods. So to delete your payment method, you need to hold it and then slide it to the left. So after you slide it to the left, you can see a delete button. So simply tap on it and your specific payment method will now be deleted. So for the context, you cannot delete your default payment method, but you can delete any other payment method that you have not selected yet. So this is how you delete payment method in Doordash. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.